What is up, YouTube? Let me ask you something. Do you know the best thing that you can do if you want to be able to make money online? The very best thing you can do, have your own stuff. Okay, if you have your own stuff, you can use it for bonuses, you can sell it, you can do whatever you like with it. And that is why I love good quality PLR content. Uh, and I've seen something amazing right now. It's all coming up in my review of YouTube Supremacy from my friend Kevin Feige. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Cameron. I'm known as the man with the hat. And why would that be, you might ask? Well, it's actually quite simple. It's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the few people that can pull one successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can sound as bad as, well, bad pizza. I just had some really bad New York pizza. I didn't think there could be such a thing as bad pizza, but it turned out that there is. It tasted like rubber. Really, really awful. But anyhow, seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products that make money online niche. Now, why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually quite simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Seriously, Bart? Every day you gotta do that? Every day? Do you know how irritating that guy is all the time? Yakety, 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 with the crap thing. Bart, give it a rest. Can we get him some new lines? Seriously, guys. New lines. Anyway, if you are new to the channel, the way things work here is that if I like a product, I'll give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz Lemon. See, Liz is a sweetheart. I love Liz, you know. Anyhow, if you are new, make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we are looking right now at the sales page for Premium PLR Reports version 7. This one specifically is called YouTube Supremacy, which is one of my favorite topics, okay? Because I've made a lot of money off of YouTube. And you can too. It really is not that hard to do. It's a very, very simple thing to make money on YouTube. And it's great. So basically, these are high-end PLR content, okay? The price is still increasing with every sale, by the way, until Sunday. So you can get in at a cheaper price right now, and you get a high-quality book that you can sell or give away on YouTube on how to make money on YouTube. Now, what I'm going to do feels like this. As a bonus, when you pick it up from me, what I'm going to give you is I'm going to give you access to my own Tube Dominator course. There's 2 videos that I did for my high-end coaching customers. They are, and those 2 videos will be available as a bonus. These were, people paid $500 in order to get access to this course. You get it for free when you pick up Premium PLR Reports, YouTube Marketing Supremacy from me. Okay, you can take a look at the members area here. There's not really much to see. I have a whole bunch of them actually. And it's basically just a download. There's nothing really to do here except to download stuff. So, but that's the members area. So yeah, let's go ahead and see if I'm going to give a tip match the product creator or not.
You rock!
Well, yes, indeed. You rock, Kevin. He always does great stuff, and this one is really, really good. So definitely pick this one up. It's great. You're going to love it.